Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and this is the orange strap variant of the CMF Watch Pro. And you can see this design looks really cool, and we are getting an open stick over here. So let's peel off. So it's done. Now we are gonna open like a booklet, and we are getting the watch itself, and then the orange strap which we are getting. Okay, so of good quality. And then the next one, okay, same, okay, fine. And then let's see the charging cable, and then the USB, then the user guide over here, and finally the watch. So where's this is the watch, and it's a bit of fingerprint over here, and you can see the speaker grill and all. Okay, so let's boot up. Okay, you can see CMF by Nothing, and a bit of languages starting off English, and scanning QR code to spare. So let me scan the code. So you can see a link appear over here, and let's see where it goes. Okay, so it directly went to the CMF watch by Nothing. So let's install it, and meanwhile let's put up the strap. Okay, so just push it like this, and you're done. And same way, just pushed over here, and okay, it's done, and the watch is happy it's installed. So let's pair it up, and meanwhile let me sign it with Google. So CMF watch needs the permission location, so confirm and allow. So asking for permissions, and you can see how to connect this watch. You can see you can directly add this watch. You can see it's adding, and if you can't find, you can see an icon over here. Just tap over here, and then you can automatically have the option just called plus. Just tap, and you can now scan and just confirm, and with this you can scan this. So you can see a bind request again, so just click pairing, and you can see it's done, paired. So now let me show you how well this fits in my hands. So you can see and you are inserting it into this buckle, which goes like this, and oof, that's a perfect fit over here. You can see, and it's ready, and it's access and permission. So let me allow, and you're good to go. And starting off from the first feature I would like to show you, that's called, you can see, wrist on wake. That means if you can see now the watch wouldn't be turned on if that feature is turned off. Now if I just turn it on, what happens is whenever I just look at the watch, automatically the watch would be turned on like this. You can see. So I'm looking on my watch, you can see, okay, locked. Whenever I look at my watch, automatically the watch would be turned on. You can see next time, see, that's it. This, and one more thing is this, just close the watch with your palm, automatically locks the watch. So that option is also available over here. So you can see the complete set of details over here. And let's see a few more features, and if you press and hold, you can change the styles of the wallpaper. Actually only four of them are available. That's a bit of a sad thing. And if you look at over here, you can see the do not disturb mode, and then we have the torch. And if you compare side by side these two of them, you can see almost identical bezels. Actually this is just comes at 3K, and you can see almost similar. And actually I would say the colors, white is a bit more looks cool on this CMF watch, whereas this looks a bit dull on the Firebolt. And yeah, regarding the bezels, it's almost same on both of them. And let me show you a few more features which is available. And over here you can see you can just change the colors. If you just press and hold, you can see same thing you can also do. So and actually it's have few more what do you call faces over here. So let me go back and let's check it out. And here we are getting a battery saver, and apart from that we are getting some dial settings which you already discussed, and then we have app view, which should be grid view or normal list view. And then apart from that we have display brightness, auto screen off, and then screen on, then always on display. So we have few watch styles. Wow, surprisingly it have few more watch styles than the normal mode. So that is also, then we have the sound. Okay, and then we have do not disturb. Then we have haptic mode. Oh, this is almost same the haptic as this guy, comes at 3K. And if you just compare, so actually you can see vibration and ringing intensity, the almost same thing on both of them. And vibrations be strong, actually at a bit enhanced, but actually I couldn't felt a much difference. And then yeah, that's it. And if you look at the apps, so I'll show you. So starting off we are getting exercise, and we are a lot of exercises over here. So you can see outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycle, mountain hike, and lots. You can see just more, you can see more of them. And then if you just can have exercise record, heart rate monitor, and then we have the blood oxygen, activity, sleep monitor, stress monitor. So it's normal 59 over here. Let me compare this both of them, heart rate. Okay, let's tap. So it's showing 90, and let it, what does this guy show? So it's 194 versus this is almost same. Actually you can see sometimes it will get a bit higher. Actually this is dynamically measuring versus this is taking a measure call like this. That's the difference between these two of them. So this is dynamically taking, you can see the maximum, lowest, everything. So this is a bit more advanced in my terms. And then apart from that we have blood oxygen levels, which let's see, which is, yeah, that's also over here. So let's check the blood oxygen levels also, measure. Let's do the same thing. Ooh, 97 on both of them, you can see both are exact. So you can see perfect. Now let's check the other features which is available over here. So blood oxygen, sleep levels, then we can do the phone call, music, camera remote, then weather, then breathing exercise, like you can just tap and it means relax. So that type of things you can do over here. Then the voice assistant, stopwatch, timers, flash. Now let's check the other features. So let's tap over here and you can see find my phone. So you can see automatically it makes a noise on the phone so that you can identify your phone where if you misplace it. So just tap over here, so the ring has stopped. So now, so and finally the settings. So that's it regarding the watch. Thank you.